What's good, you two? Shit, we smoking now, man. See, all you do with these, once you throw the water out, then you throw it on there, man. But, you know, just for anybody that doesn't know. But, yeah, man, we smoking now. Cooking it up now. I love that right there. See that? That's what you want to see. See, I just got everything a little organized in there. Got some more chicken, too. I'm going to cook these corns, like I said. That way I have more space. Y'all see right now, man. All right, let's see what's up. Damn, it's looking good, boy. You know, pretty good. Give it a little flip. Nice little flip. Since I got it open. Oh, yeah. You know, don't want to let too much of that smoke out, but nice little flip won't hurt. Side was looking good, too. Flip them a few times around, man. All right. The corns are looking good. Shoot. About to pull those out. Man, cooking on a little smoky, man. So, it's a little challenge, man. You be cooking up a full family meal on a little smoky. Oh, you gotta get it right. All right, man. I'll let this smoke up. Shoot, that corn right there is gonna be tasting good. That smoke, that skeet smoke. See, it's so good, man. I'm just chilling, man. Enjoying these flowers. Enjoying life. That's what y'all gotta do, you know. Enjoying that pit, that smoke in action right there. Oh, yeah. The smoke is smoking. It's a good smoke. All that right there, all that you see right there, all that smoke you see right there, that's flavor, man. That's that good smoke, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Them chickens are gonna be good, man. All right, y'all. I'll let this cook up a bit. I'll be back with y'all.